Hello and welcome everybody to the washer dryer room. I thought it would be neat to give you a little tutorial video on cleaning out those dryer vents. And the other cool thing about it is I have never done it in my life. So I went on Amazon, and I'll have the link attached, and just ordered one of the extender pipes that you can run through those brushes through and see what is going on inside your house. So I thought this was a great video. Hopefully it helps you out, and again, prevents those fires. Over 15,000 a year happen with just those dryer and washer units, and 92% of them are the dryer. So this isn't something I've ever done in my house in 5 years. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Well, first and foremost, there are a lot of socks back here. But what you're seeing is this silvery, futuristic pipe here is actually pretty soft. And we have it attached to the back of the dryer here. And then that is the outlet for the wall. So we also want to definitely take this off and see what's inside, because I bet you there's something gross. Nothing pretty in there, and that was just that part. Let's check out what the walls got. This next part's pretty straightforward because you can use your own power drill, cordless or cord, and then this little brush here which spins on it. What's really nice, it's plastic, so you have a lot of bend depending on how your unit's set up. You get extra footing for it, and we'll start with one attachment to try to get up closely. Now the nice thing here is if you need more room, these pieces just screw on fairly easily here. So if you have a longer vent area that you need to get through, you can add as many as you need in order to get through it, which is very helpful. Alright, so there you go. Relatively painless. Really didn't take me much time. The dryer's fairly light to slide out of the way, take off the back venting, and then run it through. The picture that you also saw when I went down is to be careful and notice that there's a little swinging door hinge, obviously, so creatures can't get in, but it keeps them out, so you just gotta be careful as you get through that. You can reach in with your hand and sort of move the door to pull the brush extension back out. With this tool actually worked really well. The one thing I didn't even realize is that there's a drill bit end that goes on that gives you better support as you're using it into the drill. I actually did it without the drill bit and it was fine. The two things I noticed though, careful, if you tighten some of these rods too tight, they are kind of tricky to unscrew, so you'd probably want a plier to give it a twist there. The other thing I noticed too is if you're trying to go into that vent area to the exterior of the house, you don't want to have 3 of these tied on and then just drill it because it'll just fly all over the place. It gets a little crazy. But again, as you can see from the bowl of gross, It's a great little thing to do. I haven't done it in years and I still had a lot of disgusting things in there. So again, lint free is the way to be. Have a great day.